Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about this dash cam right here. So this is the Rove 2 dash cam. I have this one, which is the old Shark. So I will be replacing this. This one is a higher quality dash cam. So as soon as I get it out of the box, let's go ahead and cut to that. And this is the honest review from an honest consumer. So this is the Rove R2 4K, so it's a 4K video. So as you can see, 2160p, so that's 4K footage at 24 frame per second. So that's smooth also. These are all the features it come with. You have built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, support up to 512 gigabyte memory card. You have a Sony IMX335 sensor in it. You also rotate the video if you want. And you have G sensor, Y handle, video loop record, time lapse, true WDR, 24-hour parking mode, and I believe you have to wire it different for parking mode to work. You have motion detect, you have night vision, and it also have a screensaver. So these are, you can pause the video right here if you want to see all those. So let's go ahead and open it. So I just bought this one because I got the other one for free. So I just bought this one. The other one come with a memory card. This one, I don't know if it come with a memory card. It doesn't advertise as if it come with a memory card. So go ahead and open the box. So you have the booklet. You can scan this to watch how-to videos on this if you want. And this is just Amazon stuff. You get 1-year warranty, so you have to register it for your 1-year warranty. Register within 30 days. So this is, so I guess this will help you to find the location of where you want to put it, because it said please place electronic film near the top of the windshield of the car. There is the card, and this is the dash cam. So it's very small. So that's what it looked like. You have the menu button, up and down, mute, emergency lock, and record or confirm for OK. So that's what those buttons for. Put that over there. Let's see what else we have in the box. So over here you're gonna have your wiring and your mounting. So you can use two-sided tape if you want, or you can use a suction cup if you want. So I'm probably gonna rock the suction cup first until I get a comfortable spot. Right here you're gonna get a USB, you're gonna have the USB adapter which I already have one right there. I have one right there because I already run the USB cable in the car already. so I don't need to use this because I already run the wires from my previous dash cam. These are some wire clip if you need these to hold the wires up neat. This is a wire to run it to your computer, and this is the wire to run it to the car. So those are all the wires it need. So I'm just going to use this wire just to power it on for demonstration purposes. Alright guys, so we have it plugged in. So once I crank the car up, it will come on. Right here you have a HDMI port out, and you also have this to out to the TV. This is the mounting. This is the suction cup, and this is what you use to lock it in place. And you just slide this. You're gonna slide this in here just like that. Alright, so once you slide that in, it will lock. I'm gonna take my 32 gigabyte from the older dash cam and put it in here, but I will be buying a bigger memory card and put it in it. Somehow this in here. Get this to lock it in. Alright, so that's locked in. Just gonna remove this. So it's telling you what size a U3 speed micro SD card. So that's what I'm off to buy. I'm gonna crank the car up and the dash cam will come on. So it's gonna ask you to format the memory card. It's not touch screen, so I'm touching it as if it was a touch screen, but it's really not. I'm also gonna peel this off from the front of the camera. So I'm gonna press OK.
Formatting is complete.
And it also talk to you, so that's good. You can click next. I used to everything be, what should I say? I used to everything be touchscreen, so when it's not, even though the old one wasn't touchscreen, so I can manually set the time and the date. Alright, you can set the time and the date based on my location, so I'm gonna use that setup. Basically, I'm just gonna go back then. I think I'll press menu to go back. So I can't go back. I guess I will set it because I don't remember.
Video mode.
So now it's, I can tell it's more detailed than what I have than the first dash cam I have. It's a lot more crisp and videos and all that. But the screen is a little bit smaller because the other one was 3 inch. This is 2.4 inch. So we can go ahead and we can stop recording because it's recording, and we're gonna press the menu.
Video settings.
Let's go into settings. We're gonna go in resolution. We'll press down, press OK for resolution. So it does show as it's a real 4K. So I'm gonna use a 30 frame per second. because I like my display to be real smooth. And then we're gonna scroll down to loop recording, 3 minute or 5. I'm gonna go to 5 minute, and then I'm gonna scroll down. That's on, leave that on. I'm gonna leave the exposure, parking mode. I'm turn that on. 24-hour parking mode. So let's say a hardware kit is required. So it must have constant power. So that one I will be leaving off. Scroll down to audio record. I'm gonna leave it on, but I know I'm gonna turn that off. But I'm gonna leave it on so you guys can hear what it sound like and what it talk like. So you want to go down to stamp. You can stamp your date and time. You can stamp your speed, which I always drive a little bit over the speed limit, so I'm gonna turn that off. And so basically what else is there? Time and date, GPS coordinate, I can leave that, and the rove logo. So I can leave that also, not a big deal. So press menu to go back and go down to, so basically G sensor. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. It's at medium. I'm gonna leave it at medium. Speed unit doesn't matter, it's in miles an hour. I'm not gonna leave it on. Status icon, so I guess I'll make that run for like 5 minutes, then turn off. Live speed, leave it on. And distortion correction, I will leave that on. I will turn that on. And rotate video, so that's that. Click menu again. We're gonna go over to the Wi-Fi setting now, so you can turn that on.
Wi-Fi mode is on.
You can look for the Wi-Fi with your phone, and this will help you to get so as you can see, it come up right there. I don't know if you can see it on the phone, but it does come up right there. And let me see, we're gonna connect with it right here. I'm gonna put in the password. There's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm gonna connect, and it does connect to the phone. But the thing is, my phone won't allow it to stay connected because there is no data coming through it. So I'm just gonna keep connection. So once I keep connection, I can see what the phone see through the Rove app. So I will have to download the Rove app. So let's go look for it, see if I can find it. I gotta turn off the Wi-Fi so I can get data. So So actually it's not the Rove Stealth app, it is the Rove 2. It's just Rove. It's just a Rove, and it's a blue icon. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that back on. I'm gonna connect back to that even though I have no internet. And click next. Location only while using the app. So as you can see, whatever the camera see, I will be able to see it on my phone. I will also be able to go in the folder, and I can download whatever thing I want from the dash cam, so which is real good. And it also come up on the screen as a folder. So you can change the setting, you can set all the setting that you need here, and that's it for this one. So what I'm gonna do next is just go ahead and show you guys. So the time is correct, it's set the time now, so that's good too. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the footage look like driving in the day and what the footage look like driving at night. All right, so that's the next part of the video. This is the mic from the dash cam. So this is what it looked like in the day. I will give you a video of what it looked like in the night, but so far that's what it looked like. I don't know what it should I say, I don't know what it sound like. So dash cam is always nice to have, guys. And I like how this one is small, so it's not really a distracting